How can you see who blocked you on Facebook in the new update? Today in this video I'll show you exactly how, so let's jump right into it. First we need to open your Facebook app and make our way to your profile. So tap right here in the top of the screen to go to your profile and then tap on Find Friends. You can search for that person here or amongst your friends list. If you cannot find them, that means they have probably blocked you on Facebook. One other thing you can do is to go back to your home screen on Facebook and then tap right here in the top right corner to go to your messenger. Search for the conversation that you have with that person or just search for them in there. If you find them but it says this person is unavailable on messenger, that means they have probably blocked you on Facebook. Now of course you need to keep your Facebook and Messenger app updated in order for this tutorial to work properly. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.